Hello guys, it's your DIYer house husband here again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the lights here, because in our past videos I only showed you how to replace the lights in the instrument panel and here, and also in our ashtray coin holder and our cigarette lighter. I did not include this one in last video because it's quite tedious to change this one, because you need to remove the other panels. So yeah, to start with, you need to remove this panel. Okay, so first you can remove the globe box screws here. So there are 4 screws here. I hope you can see it. We have one. I did remove the screws here. So we have one here, another one. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So do not remove the screws of this one. There are 2 screws here, but do not remove it. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, and then just close it. Then there's another screw here. So remove one screw here. Okay, and then there's another screw here below. So I hope you can see that one. Let me turn on the light. Okay, so this one. Okay, so for demonstration purposes I will just remove this. Okay, and I'll be keeping it there, so be sure to keep it. Okay, and the glove box will just be removed. Okay, so I'll just set this apart, and then we will remove the other one. Okay, so there are 2 bulbs here. Let me just show you the 2 bulbs here. Yeah, one here and another one here. So I hope you can see it. And yeah, this one. Yeah, this one here, and then the other one on the other side. So what you're going to do is you insert your hand here. So we remove the glove box here. So you insert your hand here, then you can actually grab the end. As you can see, you can grab the end of this one here. Can you see this one? Okay, and do not turn this one. So the strategy, do not turn it and try pulling it. So the strategy for this part is you just wiggle it left and right and pull it. So as you wiggle it, you pull it. Okay, so there is your bulb. So as you can see, the orientation of this one is different from the this one. Okay, so for this one, this is for the ashtray holder. So you turn it, there is a, I think, I don't know if you can see the groove here. So that's why you need to turn it to remove. But for the heater control, you just wiggle it. So if you try to see, there's no groove actually here. The orientation of this one is somewhat different from this one. Okay, so that's it. That's how you remove. Remove this one, and then just remove the bulb. Then I'll be replacing it with another one. So insert it. Hope you can see. Okay, and then turn on the tail light. Okay, it's not turning. That's why we need to reverse the polarity. Oops. Let's turn again the tail lamp. Okay, so it's turning. Then the same with how you put it. So you just find the hole, you insert it, you just push it. Okay, so that's it. I was able to push it. One more check. Okay, so there, as you can see. And for this part, my strategy is you put your hands here, one of your finger here, and then put your other finger here. And so your fingers are meeting at the bulb itself, and then just wiggle it as you push it. Okay, so at first it's kind of hard to feel. So that's it. So let me change this bulb with a better one, maybe. Okay, and okay, reverse its polarity. Okay, so we'll be having it like that. Okay, okay, so that's it. And same with how you remove it. Place your two fingers, then find a hole, insert it, and then push it. Okay, so you can hear the click. Then check it again. Okay, so there, it's lighting, and that's it. Okay, so I hope that is helpful. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our small channel. Thank you for watching.